from Schultz. But Radzhabov constantly keeping punches in the defending champion's face.
Tajikistan ambassador to the UN watching intently as his countryman is a good showing for himself here.
Successful takedown there for Natan Schultz. A brief reprieve from the pressure here of Loic Radzhabov.
Nice scramble by Radzhabov, using his legs effectively to sweep Natan Schultz over.
Randy, Natan Schultz led the Professional Fighters League in takedowns for the second consecutive year. He's going to be seeking more of those as he continues to wear punishment. That one to the body as Radzhabov digs, and the left hook lands over the top.
Big knee.
Punishing pace here. Halfway through round number 2.
Wow,
big uppercut from Loic Radzhabov. Another from Radzhabov, and another. Natan Schultz wears all of them and answers with a shot to the body of his own. Radzhabov shrugs off the 2018 champ and goes right back to work.
Radzhabov's got to be asking himself, what is keeping this guy in my face?
Well, Natan Schultz is tough, he is skilled, he is a complete mixed martial artist, and we are seeing with this frantic pace through about 8 minutes now that both of these guys are in great shape. Once more, the mouthpiece comes out for Loic Radzhabov.
Warning from the referee, make sure you keep that mouthpiece in. You can't keep spitting that thing out. I don't think it's intentional. I think he's just getting hit.
Schultz pressing Loic Radzhabov against the cage here. Perhaps looking to set up another takedown. Radzhabov gives him a right hand for his efforts. Another uppercut. Now Schultz dives in on a single leg attempt. Head inside. Switches it up.
There's Isabella Schultz, Natan's wife, watching intently.
You can see the look on her face. She is not enjoying every exchange in this fight, and understandably so. Loic Radzhabov continues to dig the uppercuts, the short hooks. Schultz goes to the leg kick.
When both these guys like to come forward, that makes for a brawl, and it has certainly been all of that.
Hammering away at these 255-pounders. Nice knee attempt there from Loic Radzhabov. Pulling the head of Natan Schultz down to his knee. Schultz throws a right hand and dives in on a leg, but gets shrugged back up by Loic Radzhabov. 30 seconds remain here in round number 2. Take a breath if you can.
Oh, nice knee by Natan Schultz. Snuck it up there as Radzhabov brought his head down.
Trip attempt there by Schultz, countered by Radzhabov, but right back to their feet they come. Up and down goes Loic Radzhabov to close out the round on top. Round 3 next. Showing out tonight at Hulu Theater at Madison Square Garden. American hero Kamaru Usman, Triple C Henry Cejudo, and the legendary Renzo Gracie sitting cage side. Treated to a beautiful 155-pound title fight. Natan Schultz, the Brazilian, looking to repeat as champion. Loic Radzhabov of Tajikistan in the silver trunks, looking to pull off the upset as the number 7 seed, who earned his way into tonight with a couple of nasty grinding performances in our PFL playoffs. And Randy, one important thing here, Loic Radzhabov has been taken down, but he's been able to shrug Natan Schultz, get back up, and he's also avoided a lot of the judo throws and trip attempts.
He sure has. He's countered them with his hips. He brings his hips in every time Schultz tries to lock him up and get him out of position. He's done a great job of countering there. He's got a takedown of his own against Schultz, which I don't think we've seen in the years that we've been watching Schultz.
Look down there at the bottom of your screen, the distance traveled by these men in this fight. If you want to simulate that for yourself, grab a heavy bag, run a mile with it while you're punching it.
Actually put yourself in a 30-foot cage and see how long it takes you to go 4,000 feet.
Goodness gracious, and they go right back to work, digging to the body as Loic Radzhabov This is the kind of stuff I like, Randy. No footwork, no head movement.